Hello everyone, myself Srishti, Marketing Manager at Global Solution Compliance Private Limited. Today in this video, we are going to discuss a very important BIS CRS update regarding migration to IS IEC 62368 2023. If you are a manufacturer, importer, brand owner or a seller dealing in electronic products in India, then this update is extremely important for your business. Because this migration can directly impact your BIS license, product compliance, imports, custom clearance and even your product sale in India. So in this video, I will explain what is the new BIS update is, which products are covered, what existing license holders need to do, what's new application should know, and the official migration deadline. So let's begin with what is the new BIS CRS update. Recently, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, also known as MeitY, officially introduced the new standard IS IEC 62368 2023. Under the BIS compulsory registration scheme, this new standard replaces IS 13252 Part 1 2010 and IS 616 2017. Now let's understand which electronic product come under this new BIS migration update. According to BIS guidelines, around 38 product categories are covered under this update. Some major product includes laptops and tablets, mobile phones, LED televisions, Bluetooth speakers, wireless headphones and earphones, CCTV cameras, smartwatch, power banks, power adapters, printers and scanners, webcam, USB storage devices, set-top boxes, digital cameras, smart speakers, and many other electronic product comes under BIS. Now the biggest question is, what do existing license holder needs to do after the new BIS notification? As per the official notification, all the existing BIS license holders are required to migrate their licenses to IS IEC 62368 within the specific timeline. For this, manufacturers needs to test their lead model again from BIS recognized laboratories, submit updated test reports, and provide declaration for existing series model. Additionally, for certain categories like mobile phones, televisions and CCTV cameras, additionally compliance requirement may also apply. And one very important point is, if manufacturer fail to complete the migration process within the timeline, BIS may initiate cancellation of license or deletion of model from the license scope. Now let's understand what this update means for new manufacturers applying for BIS certification and for applicants whose samples are already under testing. Currently, BIS is allowing applications under the old standards as well as the new standard during the transition period. However, after the transition deadline, application under old standards will no longer be accepted. Now, what is the official deadline for migration to IS IEC 62368? BIS has also announced the official transition timeline for migration to IS IEC 62368, and as per the official BIS and MeitY notification, the last date for migration to IS IEC 62368 is 1st November 2028. After this date, IS 13252 Part 1 2010 and IS 616 2017 will stand withdraw for the listed product categories. So if you are an electronic manufacturer, importer or a brand owner, this is the right time to start your migration planning. As a leading consultancy in India since 1997, Global Solutions specialize in BIS license facilitation for both Indian and foreign manufacturers with a wealth of experience over 1500 plus clients. We provide complete end-to-end support from BIS CRS certification, testing coordination, documentation support, migration to IS IEC 62368 and complete compliance assistance for both Indian and foreign manufacturers. For more queries, please reach us out at the number and the email ID display on your screen. Thank you for watching.